In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Microsoft Excel data and charts into Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. Microsoft Excel is an excellent tool for organizing numbers, performing calculations, and creating charts that help visualize your data clearly. However, there are times when you want to share this information in other programs, like Microsoft Word for reports or Microsoft PowerPoint for presentations. Thankfully, Excel makes it easy to transfer both data and charts while keeping the formatting clean and professional. Start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the data or chart you want to insert. If you're transferring a table of data, click and drag to select all the cells you want to include. Make sure you highlight the full range of rows and columns so everything you need will appear in your document or slide. Once the cells are selected, right-click and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl-C on your keyboard. This action copies the data to your clipboard, making it ready to insert into Word or PowerPoint. Next, open the application where you want to place the information. In Word, click in the document where the table should appear. In PowerPoint, navigate to the slide where the data will go and click inside the slide workspace. Right-click and select Paste, or simply press Ctrl-V. The Excel content will appear and the program will automatically adjust the layout to fit seamlessly within your document or slide. To insert a chart, click the chart in Excel to select it. Go to the Home tab, click the Copy drop-down arrow and choose Copy as Picture. In the Options window, select As Shown on Screen and Picture, then click OK. Return to Word or PowerPoint. Place your cursor or select the slide where the chart should appear and press Ctrl-V. The chart will now be added, showing the visual representation exactly as it looks in Excel. This technique is especially helpful for reports, school projects, or business presentations because it allows you to reuse your Excel analysis without recreating it manually. It preserves the accuracy of your data and ensures charts remain visually consistent. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.